guys, welcome to my vlog. My name is Hanime Villahermosa. So today's video, it is all about my desired skills in any mobile application. It is highlighting how they got from me and what the skills they choose to and how did I acquire it. It is evidence that in daily lives we acquire different skills that makes the things easy. So let's start. In this video, I'm here to teach you how to edit a video and a picture like KineMaster, Viva Video, CapCut, and others for mobile application. Editing is important because it is the key to blending images and sounds to make us feel emotionally connected and sometimes truly there in the film we're watching. It is a safe assumption to say that video editing is among the most important jobs in this country. This app has plenty of features too. You can trim clips, change the speed of your footage, and add filters, music, and also text. For end this video, I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.